Here are a few ways to improve gaming performance on a PC. Upgrade your graphics card. A more powerful graphics card can greatly improve gaming performance by rendering game graphics more efficiently. Increase your RAM. More RAM can help your computer run more smoothly and efficiently, which can lead to improved gaming performance. Overclock your CPU. Overclocking your CPU can increase its clock speed and improve performance, but be sure to do it properly and with the right cooling system. Optimize your game settings. Lowering game settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadows can improve performance on lower-end systems. Clean your computer. Dust and debris can build up inside your computer and cause it to overheat, which can lead to poor performance. Make sure to clean your computer regularly to keep it running smoothly. Keep your drivers up to date. Outdated drivers can cause a variety of issues, including poor performance. Make sure to keep your drivers up to date by checking for updates regularly. Use game booster softwares. These type of softwares can help you to optimize your system resources, close unnecessary background programs and services while playing games to improve the performance. Keep your PC updated with the latest updates and patches from the manufacturer. Please note that overclocking and tweaking settings may void the warranty on your PC, and always make sure you are doing it safely and with proper knowledge and guidance.